Hello friends, welcome to part 42 of Laravel 12 multi-banner e-commerce series. So in this part, we are going to do real-time resizing of product images via intervention. We have uploaded the images, just we have uploaded one image, one product image. You can see there is only one product image in the products folder. Okay, because we are going to resize them in real time. I'm going to show you. First, I'm going to upload the image. In every Laravel e-commerce series earlier, we have uploaded the three sizes of product image, small, medium, and large. But for the first time, we have just uploaded one size, one large size. Okay, I'm going to show you that while editing the product, we can able to see here we can add product main image and we can add the product alternate images. And in both cases, there is just one image that we are going to upload. One image means that one size of image. Okay, so here I'm going to upload, like I'm going to upload here, see, I'm going to upload here red t-shirt in main image. Okay, and multiple images in the altered images. Okay, three images here, and I'm going to save. And you can see there is just one copy of these images. I'm going to the products folder here. Okay, you can see there is just one copy. There is no small, medium, and large folders. Okay, so in Laravel 12 series, we have just uploading just one image, one product image. There is no small, medium, and large folder. But if you will go to earlier series like the Laravel 11, Laravel 10 e-commerce series, in every earlier series, we have done three folders. Like if I will go to the Laravel 11 series, here you can see if I will go to the images and product, and then you can see there must be the three folder here. This is not the exact folder. It's located inside. See, here it is. Okay, you can see the products folder here, large, medium, and small. Okay, so in every series we have done like this. We have the small folder, we have the medium folder, we have the large folder. But now it is not required at all. You are just required to upload just single image, single size of image, a large size of image, that we can real time we can resize them. Okay, we can resize them in the browser itself. Like if I'm going to open this image. Okay, here if I will click on this image, you can see the big image of this. Okay, so we can simply call here. See, here also we have called that big image, but it is not required. We can just call the small image of it, and we can make its small image at the real time here only. Okay, so it will reduce the size of our disk of our server. Okay, so it is really beneficial. It will increase the speed of the website, and we can able to use these images at the real time. Okay, so let's do that. Let's do this thing. So these are the steps that we are going to take to do this thing. Okay, so I hope that it's clear to you that what we are going to do in this part. Okay, so first thing is that we are going to update our route file, our web.php file. Here we will include the intervention package at the top, because with the help of the intervention only we are using here. And also I want to tell you that we are using the latest intervention package, that is the intervention image Laravel 1.5. Okay, so this is the latest intervention package that we are using. Okay, so here see, first thing is that we are going to include the classes for our intervention package at the top. Here we are going to include these classes, and after that we are going to include this code. I'm going to copy this code and we'll paste this code before admin. Here I'm going to paste this code like this. Okay, so here you can see that here we are sending this size as well as the file name. See, this function we are going to call this function wherever we require the resize of the image at the real time. Okay, so so in this function we are going to send the size we are going to specify like the small, medium, large. Okay, and the file name. Okay, file name, uh that is the name of the file. Okay, so these two things we are going to send. Okay, and it will return with that size of image. Okay, I'm going to show you. Okay, and but first of all we are going to create this file as well, images underscore size. we are going to create and inside the config folder. Here we are going to create the new file. I'm going to save this file with image and underscore sizes dot php. I'm going to start the php here, and here I'm going to see. See, we are going to fix these sizes, okay? Because if any time we are required to change this size, then only at one place we are required to make that change. Okay, so here we will define these sizes: small, medium, large, thumbnail, small, medium, large. These four sizes, okay? Like the thumbnail width is 50 and height is 65. So this size we are going to call here, okay? Because it's the thumbnail. So we are going to use here the thumbnail, okay? So when I'm going to update this code as well, in which I'm going to use the thumbnail, and thumbnail will come up here, thumbnail and that file name, okay? And this file name will come up here. According to this, it is going to return its size, okay? So also the compression, we are going to do 85% of compression, and based on this size, like the thumbnail will come up here, and it will check in that image and underscore sizes folder that what is the size of the thumbnail, that is the width and height. That width and height we are going to pass here, and we are going to just pick the image. We are going to pick that image from the products folder, and we'll apply that width and height to that file, okay? And the same image we are going to return to show wherever we want to show, okay? So in the last step, what we are going to do, we are going to replace that image, okay? Here, see, I'm going to show you that I'm going to open here add edit product blade file, and here I'm going to replace this product main image. I'm going to open the main image, or otherwise I can also go down. See, this is the product main image, okay? And here you can see, for earlier we are calling the that large image side from the product folder. Now it is not required to do. We are going to use here the separate code. See, we will just simply do like this, okay? See here, the source is product hyphen image thumbnail, okay? Thumbnail, okay? And that product main image. So I'm going to replace it with this one. So I'm going to check once that it's working fine or not. See, it's working fine. I'm going to inspect its size. See here, the size is 50 into 65. You can see its size is 50 into 65. So the same size here we have defined 50 into 65, 50 width and 65 height. In our file image underscore sizes, we have defined that same size. So we able to call that. Okay, so we have used this path product hyphen image slash thumbnail. Okay, so the same thing we have applied here, product hyphen image slash thumbnail. Here you can see product hyphen image, then the size is whatever, like size maybe thumbnail small medium large, okay? And after that the file name is whatever the name of the file, okay? So here the file name is coming in this variable, okay? So same file name we are going to check in the products folder. We are going to pick that image, and we are going to apply this size according to this size that the user want, okay? We are going to apply that size, and we're going to return that image, okay? So it's working fine, okay? And we are going to do the same thing with these images, okay? Right now you can see these images is just opening as a big image, because we have given here the width 50 pixel static, okay? Static width, but we are going to apply the width from here, okay? Not from here. See, this is the static width we have applied, but we are going to apply this width from this file only. Otherwise, this width we are going to add in every HTML wherever we are calling, so it is not possible at all. So we are going to just change at one place, then it will apply in all places. So that's why we are going to do the same thing. And here also we are going to use, sorry, we are going to use this one thumbnail, okay? And I'm going to replace here as well. Inside this, I'm going to replace this source with this one. Okay, product hyphen image slash thumbnail, then the image name. Okay, so I'm going to check here. I'm going to check here, right click, inspect, and you can see 15 to 65. So same size of all images, 50 into 65. Here I'm going to check this one as well, 50 into 65. So we able to apply the same size 50 into 65 for all the images that have the thumbnail. Okay, so like this we can update in the complete website. We are just required to change the size here, and that image will be available at the real time. See, here in the folder there is just one image. Okay, like I have explained that in the folder there is just one image. Okay, see, there is no small, medium and large folder. Just we have the large image, but we are going to resize them into small and medium at the real time, so that the website speed will not get compromised, and also the less space we require for our website. Okay, less storage space required for our website. Okay, so it is really beneficial for us. Okay, so that thing we have done in this part. So I hope that you can able to do this at your end, and if you will find any trouble, you can surely contact me. And please do subscribe the channel Stack Developers YouTube channel for more updates. Okay, here you can open the channel Stack Developers. Okay, so you can open and subscribe the channel for more updates, and you can always join the channel to get the complete source code. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.